Hi everyone, welcome back to Celltronix. Today we'll unlock Windows password without losing data. This video is only for learning purpose. Let's get started. First we need a bootable USB for this purpose, so download the ISO we provide in link description. Then make a bootable USB. We'll link you how to make one right here. Once done that, boot your PC or laptop into boot mode and boot from this USB. Now select Mini Windows and let it boot. New higher in ISO menu, little change, so don't worry. If your USB can't boot, use different method. Bootable USB two ways: one is GPT, UEFI, other is MBR. Old PC laptop normally run on MBR, new run on UEFI or GPT, so choose wisely. Here in start menu type in TPASS and open this icon. There just find your file as link mentioned. Choose your Salam. Now find your user which you forget. Now click unlock, create new password or remove as you like. Once done, click save and reboot. Now boot from hard and wait. When user pop, just use new password. Method is same for all Windows XP 7, 8, 10 or 11. That's all. See you in next video very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. Hit like button. Take care.